Hello everybody, welcome back to DeSantis Clan. Happy Thanksgiving. We hope you're having a great day, whether you're shopping like a crazy person. Hi Kiara.
Hi.
Or if you are getting ready for dinner, like Tony is. Say hello, Tony.
Hi.
We have the bird basting away in the oven, mashed potatoes, green beans, and about to be stuffing ready to go.
And to go being
And
cute.
hopefully soon, stay with us. We're going to start a new thing called Does Bacon Make It Better? And we're going to just cook everyday average
Everything
food,
with bacon.
and we're going to add bacon too.
Yeah.
I'm going to guess that the answer is always yes. That's my thought. So for our Thanksgiving dinner, we are not having dog, although he's laying here being ever so cute. We've got some delicious little snacks out. I have an 8-year-old following me, wearing her patch to assist with the healing of your...
Lazy eye. I forgot what that was.
Silly girl.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm having this one because I don't like the ones that stick to my face. I would peel it off a little bit and go like, Mom, it's coming off.
what she's trying to say is she didn't like the adhesive patches, so she has one that sits on her glasses looking super cute.
I was scared of it at first because it's the same balloon as the clown for the movie It.
So the rest of our family is up here watching Guardians of the Galaxy
Except for
2.
Nana. She's in bed.
Nana's in bed. We have Papa. Looks like he's reading. We have Arthur playing on his phone and watching the movie. Cat 1. Cat 2. Cat 3. And Josh on his phone watching the movie as well. Anybody else planning Black Friday sales? Because I'm not.
Not me.
Are we good?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Okay. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties.
Yeah, she accidentally.
I am informed that I kind of lied to you guys. I'm planning on hitting Barnes & Noble tomorrow after work because they have autographed copies of at least 3 books that I want from some amazing authors. Are you planning on hitting any Black Friday sales? Are you hitting some of the Brown Thursday sales? What are your plans? Whatever it is, I hope you're having as much fun as we are.
Yeah.
Hi, Zuko. Anyway, from our kitchen to your home, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching our channel. And Kiara's going to tell you to hit like and subscribe down at the bottom.
That's
Kiara,
one.
where's it going to be?
It's gonna be down here.
All right, everybody.
And hit the bell.
And hit the bell for your notifications.
It's gonna tell you. It's gonna like ring when we post out a new video. So you better click it. And we're not having any mulch soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Peace out.